Namaste from me to you. I am Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Continuing with our Focus 5 series, today we will concentrate on these 4 words: star, stood, sleep, strong. So let's begin with the first word, star. Star fruit, rock star, movie star, rising star, shooting star, 5-star hotel, 3-star hotel. The sun is the brightest star in our universe. The sky was clear and the stars were bright. Have you seen a shooting star? Yes, I have seen a shooting star. Who is your favorite movie star? Prithvi Ambar is my favorite movie star. We stayed at a 5-star hotel. These cookies are star-shaped. The second word is stood. S-T-O-O-D, stood. Stood by, stood in, stood out, stood up, stood for. The child stood close to her mother. The children stood up and wished the teacher good morning. When the teacher entered the classroom, the students stood up. Ronnie stood on the edge of the cliff. The table stood in the corner of the room. The children stood under a big tree. The third word is sleep. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Good sleep, deep sleep, sleep well, sleep early, sleep over, go to sleep. I had a good night's sleep last night. I sleep very well every day. The baby is in deep sleep. My mom yelled at me for sleeping so late. Yelled at me means scolded me for sleeping so late. Rani woke up after a good sleep. Raj snores during his sleep. The fourth word is strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Very strong, too strong, strong player, strong competition, strong enough, strong relationship. It takes a strong man to lift 300 pounds. 300 pounds? That means it's approximately 145 kgs. Oh my God, yes, the person should be really strong. A strong and loving relationship will keep the family together. Garlic and onions smell strong. This coffee is too strong for me. Strong winds accompanied the rain. Jija Mata had a very strong personality. Tim appears to be strong and healthy. So with this, that's all in today's video. Meet you again in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed and take care. Be happy always. Thank you.